po ito guys. Cheers! Kinamis na ako sa traffic light karon guys. Kaya ikan mi nag-community run. So, pauli na. Going back home na. Uli kong sayo. Wala ko ni sabay sa ila o 7-Evelyn kay Mularga Baya ko o Surigao guys for my check-up. Yes guys. Pray for me nga okay lang ang tanan gihapon kay every 2 months baya akong check up guys. So last check up na ako atong October. So I'm back October, November, December, January. So going back to my favorite place kay mopalit kog isda per me basta every time mo adto ko dito mopalit ko og isda sa bato. Nga mas barato man dito good guys kay diri sa Butuan. So grabe sila guys, napagay sa tuna nagaan 4. Nagdali gid sila oy. May gani kay kanang walay mobit. Kanang mobit ba sa kuan, red light. Kay og naay mobit na. Pasyo. Hitting the red light. So, what is she guys? 8 o'clock may mo biyahe. So, going home na ko. 6:26 naman. Mag-prepare pa ba ako? Maligo pa. Nag-walking naman gapon ko karon guys actually. Wala jud ko niyan. Pero gipaningot ko ha. Limang kag. Basta mag-walking ko guys, panington jud ko. Wala nga. Okay ra gid sa ako mag-walking. Naka 4 kilometers ko. Yesterday naka 5. So, let's go. Let's go sa go-go. Gamay ra niya apil karon sa community run guys. It's because magkuan sila. Nabaya race sa Sunday sa Cebu City Marathon. So daghang kay mga attend dito. What happened? Daghang mga attend, daghang mga apil. So mao nga wala na nang apil tong run sa CCM kay they are kuan guys resting na. Pero na bay uban nag-walking naman tong uban. May uban niya po nga niya nag-appeal pero walking na sila kay kinahanglan mag-taper naman lang or rest na. Nahinay lang ang walk. Siya guys. Ako going back home na ako. So, kumusta ang tanan? Napakuy-upload ay sa akong YouTube. Please follow my YouTube channel. Ga-pictorial ka mo di sa no? Charis! Hi, Tek! Ayaw paligis di ate. Bye-bye! Bigay mga kailangan labyan oy. Okay. Itubo na ko. Nanawag na ako ng darling. Hello! I'm still driving. I will call you when I'm back. Yeah, I will call you when I'm back.
How long?
Only 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
I will prepare my yummy food.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah, look, I will show you.
Kadali.
I mix your coconuts.
Wow. I don't have like that anymore.
Yeah, you consume all.
Yeah. I'm not the only one who consume.
Yes, it is.
Okay. Bye-bye now because I'm driving. I will call you later. Yes, I'm driving. It's hard. And it's not good example to those people who are watching to me. Okay, it's not really good using your phone while driving. I'm sorry guys. And I'm afraid also, of course. Better it's not. Dili ni siya highway. Kaya highway na inay. Masuday. Ay, it's still a highway but dili man good siya kuan. Dili mga not a rush hour. And I am so near to our house. I'm now entering our area of responsibility. Okay. I'm thinking every time I will Charis. Yeah, I have some followers that they cannot understand Bisaya. Maybe I will next time I will post a video what do you call that? Because if it is Tagalog and English, Taglish. If it is Bisaya and English, Bisaying Bisaying or Bisaylish? Bisalish? Yes guys, I'm now in our area of responsibility. Yeah, I did not clean that. Unsa man, nag-drive ko. Alas 8 pa among sabot. Oh. Kanaway. Katuod si Koan. Joshua. Ay, katuod si Joshua. Oy. May problema. Okay, bye. Yes, nanawag akong friend na akong hapitan later guys, going to Surigao kaya ako siyang uban nun. Daga kuan naman siya picture raw. So guys, I'm here na. It's dark na. So bye bye Mama Chup Chup.